Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. So today's video, I'm actually going to be doing my favorite makeup look that I'm always wearing. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I like to do when I do my makeup is I like to start off with my brow. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Unbelievable brow gel. This is how it looks right here. I think I showed y'all in the last video how the applicator looks and everything like that, and it did come with a eyebrow duo brush. After I put the brow gel on my eyebrows, I am going to go in with my concealer, which is RK by Kiss CNC concealer. I'm going to blend out my concealer with this precision shaper brush. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I like to prime my face. But before I prime my face, I'm gonna prime my face, and I use the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer. So I just like to take about a dot size amount. So after I prime my face, I'm actually going to go in with another concealer, which is by Kleancolor, which is this right here that I got from Shop Miss A, and it is the White Lies concealer stick. And I'm just gonna go in and cover up the marks that I have on my face. My face is breaking out a bit, but not too bad. I don't want to cover up my freckles too much. So for my foundation, I use the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup, and the color that I am in is the Butterscotch. So I'm just gonna shake that up a bit. And I love the applicator of this foundation because that way you don't waste too much makeup. So I just like to put this all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with a makeup brush. And these makeup brushes I got from Shop Miss A. So the next thing that I like to do is conceal. So I'm going to use, instead of using this concealer, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my nose and forehead, and then under my chin. To blend out my concealer, I'm actually going to go in with a knockoff beauty blender that I got from Shop Miss A, but I do need to go wet it, so I'll be right back. Then I'm going to blend out my concealer. Since I don't have any powder to kind of set my concealer, I'm actually going to go in with, let's see, my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set to set my face. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, and all of that stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go in with my eyeshadow. I love to use gold eyeshadow, and I use the gold eyeshadow out of the 10 Perfect 10 Colors Nicka New York eyeshadow palette. And I love to use this color right here. I like to go in with an eyeshadow primer. So the eyeshadow primer that I'm going to be using is the Kleancolor eyeshadow primer that is matte. So this is it right here. Y'all also know that I love to put eyeshadow in my corner, so that's also what I'm gonna do. The eyeliner that I'm going to go in with is by Amuse, and it is a waterproof fine eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner. I've been having it for a while, so I'm surprised that it has not dried out, but I love this eyeliner. So I'm going to do a winged eyeliner, and I absolutely love doing winged eyeliner, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is my winged liner, as you can see. For another interesting thing is I'm actually going to be trying out the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, which I got in my BoxyCharm beauty box. So this is going to be my first time using it. So as before, this is how it look, and I'm just going to be testing this out. This is how the applicator looks, and yeah. Applied the mascara. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it actually made my eyelashes look a bit longer, because when I use other mascaras, I still can't tell like if it actually made my eyelashes look thicker. And that is the It's Cosmetics Superhero mascara. After I put on mascara, I like to put on some lipstick and highlight. What I'm going to be putting on my lips today is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Praline. And I'm not sure if this is how you pronounce it. I never even bothered to look up the pronunciation. Then I like to go in with my highlight, and this time I'm using another e.l.f. highlight, but this one is in the color Apricot Glow, and I like this one a lot better than my other one because it has more of a gold tone to it. So I like to apply it with my fingers, so I'm going to put some right here. And put some on this side. See, this one shows up a lot better on camera. On my nose. And then I like to put some right here. That is the completed makeup look, and this is my favorite makeup look to go with. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. I will put all of the products that I use in the description box and everything like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.